Hi everybody, let's start with the next grammar topic, a very important grammar topic I must say, that is reported speech. Let's see what is reported speech. Reported speech is how we represent the speech of other people or what we ourselves say. There are two main types of reported speech. They are direct speech and indirect speech. What is reported speech? Reported speech क्या है? This is actually how we represent the speech of other people or what we say ourselves. जो कोई बात किसी ने कही या जो कुछ हम कहते हैं हम उसको कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. देयर आर टू मेन टाइप्स ऑफ रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. दे आर डायरेक्ट स्पीच एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच की टू टाइप्स हैं, डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज डायरेक्ट स्पीच. Direct speech, when we give the exact words of the speaker, that is called the direct speech. अब जैसे किसी ने हमसे कुछ कहा, हम एज इट इज़ उस चीज़ को कन्वे करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड द डायरेक्ट स्पीच. Indirect speech, when we do not give the exact words of the speaker but only give the substance what he said, this is called the indirect speech. पर जब किसी ने हमसे कुछ कहा, हम उसको एज इट इज़ उन्हीं वर्ड्स में नहीं बोलते हैं, द सेम वर्ड्स वी डोंट यूज, बट वी ओनली गिव द सब्सटेंस कि किसी ने हमें क्या कहा, दैट इज कॉल्ड द इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ डायरेक्ट स्पीच. द टीचर सेड टू जैक, यू आर लेजी. So here the speaker is the teacher, the listener is the person named Jack, right? What did the teacher say to Jack? You are lazy. So these are the exact words of the teacher. That is why this is called direct speech. Now, how do we frame the direct speech? In this sentence, said is the reporting verb and you are lazy is the reported or direct speech. अब इसमें ये जो है said, this indicates that this is the reporting verb and you are lazy is the reported or direct speech. In the direct speech, the exact words of the speaker are put in inverted commas. अब हमने इसको inverted commas में रखा है to indicate that these are the exact words of the speaker. Speaker ने actually कहा क्या, right? The first word of the reported speech begins with a capital letter. Here you can see that Y is capital. A comma is placed after the reporting verb to separate it from the second part of the sentence. So this is the first part of the sentence, which we may say reporting verb, and this is the reported speech. So here we are using a comma and then space and then we are using inverted commas. So comma shows that these two are separate sentences. Separate means this is one sentence but we are separating it from the other part of the sentence. हम इसको sentence के दूसरे part से अलग कर रहे हैं. So this is what is called the direct speech. जब हम किसी के exact words को as it is बोलते हैं या लिखते हैं to show that these are the exact words of the person, we put them in inverted commas. So that becomes the direct speech. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के बाद कॉमा लगता है इसको सेंटेंस के दूसरे पार्ट से सेपरेट करने के लिए. एंड रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का फर्स्ट लेटर जो है दैट मस्ट बी कैपिटल, राइट? सो दिस इज डायरेक्ट स्पीच. नेक्स्ट कम्स इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. अब हमने सेम सेंटेंस को वी आर जस्ट गिविंग द सब्सटेंस कि स्पीकर ने एक्चुअली कहा क्या, देन दैट बिकम्स इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. हियर the teacher told Jack that he was lazy. So in the previous sentence we saw in the reporting verb it was used said to. Said to has been changed into told. Jack is the listener. Now आप इसमें देखेंगे totally one sentence है, यहाँ पे कोई inverted commas नहीं है, so it becomes one sentence. तो inverted commas को replace करती है ये conjunction that. ही अब किसको बोला? जैक को. जैक इज द थर्ड पर्सन, सो थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन हैज बीन यूज्ड हियर. वॉज, देयर इज चेंज ऑफ टेंस एज वेल. The teacher told Jack that he was lazy. So here the reported verbs are not placed within inverted commas. The reported speech is introduced by the conjunction that. यहाँ पे कोई inverted commas नहीं है. Instead we have conjunction that. The verb are is changed into was. It describes that the tense of the verb in the reported speech is changed from the present to the past according to the reporting verb. Reporting verb के according उसका reported speech का जो tense है वो change हो जाता है. So this is direct and indirect speech. I hope this is clear. Thank you.